a quick one. So we also have digital way of accessing the learners. This is very productive when it comes to those in secondary school, but for those in primary school, if you want to use this method to access your learners like online quiz, I think you just have to inform their parents and tell their parents to be online. Then at the end of it, you'll be dropping the link and you tell them to click on the link and answer the questions. But why I said for those in secondary school is because most of them have access to smartphone. But if you want to make use of the children, those in primary, then you have to inform their parents about it. So how to use Google Form to access your learners. So what will you do? When you click on Chrome, search for Chrome, click on it. Then you search for Google Form, then it will open. Then this first one, that's what you click on it. When you click on it, then you see this template here. Untitled form, then you name your title. Let me say, for instance, I'm taking maths, mathematics, maybe text, mathematics, text one. So I'm giving it its name. Then another thing is that I want to set this. I want it to be a multiple choice question. So you click on setting up here. Click on setting. Then look at it. Make this a quiz. I'm going to turn it on. Then immediately release immediately after submission, as I want the score to be released. But if you don't want the score, you can say later. Then missed question. Respondents can see which question were answered incorrectly. Yes. So when they fail, they will know the correct answer. Respondents can see correct answer after grades are released. Yes. Then point value. Respondents can see total points and point relief for each. Exactly. So each point depending on what you want to give, what I prefer. Let me make my own 5 points for each question. So when you are done to question, so this question one now, let me take for example, because I'm dealing with max text one. Let me take max text one for basic one, for instance. Then my question, I will say 23 plus 27 is equal to, then when I put is equal to, then I'll click on this option one. I'll say 30. Then you click on this add order. Another option will come out 40. Click on this add order. Another will come out 50. So I'm done with my question one. So what do I do next? You go down this plus sign that is here, that is inside a circle. You click on it. When you click on it, another question number two comes up. So question number two, I will add 3 times 10 is equal to, then you scroll up. I put my option, say 15. Then I'll click on add order to add other option. 15, 20, 30. Then I'm done with it. Then I'll click and this star button or other plus button. I want to put the third question. So let me say third question. I'm going to ask 100 minus 20 equal to, I put my option 100 minus 20, let me say 80. Click order to add this next option. 70 60. Then you click on it to add the fourth question. I'm going on the fourth question. And you'll say 70 minus 50 is equal to 10. You click on the add order and add order 20 order 30. So let's stop here for that. So now let's assume that I'm done with the question. So I need to pick the correct answers. Yeah, so this 23 plus is the correct answer is 50. So I'll come here and click 50. Look at, I want to tick it good. The correct answer is 50. You see, it's good now. Then the second one, 30 things. Then the correct answer is 30. Once you click on it, you tick good and click good. Good. So this green sign must, so 20 minus the answer is 80. And click on the 80. And you click on the 80, come to this place and pick your good. Then you click on the 80. You see it. Then 70 minus the answer is 20. Click on the 20. Go here and click your good. Then come back. That is the 5 point action. And click on the 20 good. So now we are done with it. So what is the next step? The next step you do is you will have to look at this arrow sign. This arrow sign that is closer to these three dots. You click on it. When you click on it, you will be asked to publish. So publish means that it is ready. Then what will you do? You click on publish. When you click on publish, look at the link. You copy the link. So this link is what you'll be sending to. This link is what you'll be sending to the parents. The learners, once they click the link, it will take them directly to the quiz and they'll start answering it.